Hi everyone, welcome back. It's day 20 and today is a restore day. Yes, yes. So bring a blanket or a pillow if you have it. If not, no worries. Let's get started. All right, come on down to the ground. This is a nice low to the ground practice for you. We're gonna start on our backs. Yay! Come on down to the ground. Keep your pillow if you brought one to the side for now. And we're just gonna come into a little low bridge set. So bend the knees, bring the soles of the feet to the ground. We're just gonna keep it nice and low today. When you're ready, inhale in, drop the tailbone down to start. So there's a little spaciousness between your low back and the mat. And then on an exhale, tilt the pelvis, lift the tailbone up, press into all four corners of the feet, and try to really roll through that low back and the mid back. And then just bring it about halfway, all the way up, and then roll it down. And then I'll invite you to close your eyes or soften your gaze and just roll up and down here nice and slow as you start to tune into the sound of your breath. And then gently release that. Send your left leg out long. Squeeze your right knee up into your chest. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. And then switch. Extend your right leg out long. And hug your left knee up and into your chest. And then release. Hug both knees up into the chest. Squeeze. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Release the legs out long. Center yourself on the yoga mat or on the earth. And inhale, reach the arms up and overhead for a big full body stretch. You can close your eyes and keep your gaze soft here today. We'll just start to point and flex the feet nice and slow. Let your body be heavy. And then rotate the ankles one way and then the other as you continue to breathe deeply. And then gently float the palms, the arms face down, and hug both knees once again into the chest. Interlace the fingertips around the shins. Squeeze the legs up towards the chest. And then release the left foot, cross the right ankle over the top of the left thigh. Thread the needle here. Press your right elbow into your right inner thigh. And flex your left foot and your right foot. Squeeze the legs towards your chest, close your eyes, and you can find some soft, gentle movement here, rocking the legs a little to the right and gently to the left if that feels good. Breathe. And then release and switch right foot down, cross the left leg, thread the needle, and find what feels good here. Flex your feet. And then slowly release, send the legs out long once again. Now we're gonna walk our heels towards the bottom left corner of our mat. And then press into your head and just kind of shimmy your shoulders towards the top left corner of your mat. So you start to feel this opening through the right side waist. Then you're gonna reach your arms all the way up, grab your right wrist with your left hand, And we're gonna slowly lengthen, creating this crescent moon shape in the body. Breathe deep here, in through the nose and out through the nose. And if you want, you can cross the right ankle over the top of the left ankle here for a little bit of a deeper stretch. Breathe. And then slowly, let's bring everything back through center and take it to the other side. Feeling that nice opening through the left side waist, letting the body be heavy. You can close the eyes. And maybe crossing that left ankle over the right, if that feels good in your body today. Breathe deep. Use this time to center one present moment leading to the next. Cool. Slowly release. Bring everything back to center. We're going to hug the knees into the chest one more time, and this time allow the knees to fall to the right side for a reclined twist. So take a deep breath in here. You're going to bring the left elbow to cactus arms. And then option today to bring the left knee up and bring the left foot up and over to plant in front of the top of the right thigh. And you can use your right hand to guide it there and even hold it there. And then when you're there, you can draw the left thigh bone, the left femur out and hug it into the hip socket and breathe deep here. Just an option, a little figure 4 reclined twist. Relax your shoulders, breathe. And then slowly release. And we'll take it to the other side, hugging the knees into the chest. And first coming into that reclined twist, breathe deep. And you can stay here, bend your right elbow. Breathing into the twist, or option to lift the right knee up, bring that right knee over to the earth in front of the left thigh. And then actively hug that right femur in as you send it out. And you can use your left hand here to kind of hold it in place, give it some stability. Breathe deep. Nice. And then slowly release. Option, if you're feeling slow and sleepy today, you can turn to one side, fetal position, and press up to all fours. Or if you'd like the massage, you can rock up and down the length of your spine. And we'll come to me on all fours. Right away, take it away, extended child's pose, knees wide. Heart melts, forehead melts. Close your eyes here. And take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax your shoulders. Inhale deeply, and exhale completely. Send some awareness to your low back as you breathe in, and as you breathe out. Just take a few more breaths here, close your eyes. And if you like, you may whisper this affirmation: I am enough. I am enough. And then press into your fingerprints to slowly rise up. You're going to stay on the elbows, but you're going to walk them underneath the shoulders. Then you're going to walk the knees in underneath the hips. And we're just going to do a little modified cat-cow here on the forearm. So you're going to inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. And exhale, round through chin to chest. Close your eyes and move through this pattern with the sound of your breath, soft and sweetly. And then inhale to neutral spine. We're gonna walk the knees back for puppy posture. Opening through the chest, sending the tailbone up to the sky, forehead melts towards the ground. Breathe into your belly. And then carve a line with your nose, slide through to home base. Come on to your hip points, your belly. You're just gonna bend the left knee all the way up into a little half froggy pose here. Breathing deep here. And if you want, you can plant the palms and rest your forehead on the tops, the backs of the hands, or maybe you get a deeper stretch by lengthening up here in a little Sphinx posture. Take a deep breath in wherever you are. And then slowly we'll release that and just take it to the other side, bending the right knee, finding what feels good on this side. And then slowly release the right leg and press into the palms, come up to all fours. Walk the knees up towards the wrists, cross one ankle over the other and come through to a seat. Sit up nice and tall here. Sukhasana. Inhale in deeply and exhale completely. Tuck the chin, round through the spine, and then walk your fingertips forward, spider fingers all the way out. As far as you can go, as far as you can go, reach, 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 and then take a breath. And then release it, walk the fingertips all the way back. Switch the cross of your legs. And same thing, drop the chin, surrender, walk the fingertips out as far as you can go, and then take a deep breath in. And a long, long breath out. Walk it back in. Send both legs out. Recruit your pillow, if you brought one, and bring it right up to the low belly. Flex the feet. Inhale to reach all the way up, and then exhale, think up and over as you reach towards the shins, the ankles, the toes, or the outer edges of the feet. Inhale to look forward and exhale to bow the head in. Seated forward fold for 3 slow breaths. After 3 slow breaths, begin to release. You're going to take your pillow and now bring it to wherever you want it for your head or maybe underneath your knees. You can roll all the way down, skip the core roll down, or if you want to today, point the toes, draw the navel back, and find that transition. Allow your head to come onto your pillow, and we're going to bend the knees and walk the feet together. Open the knees wide, reclined cobbler's pose or reclined Baddha Konasana, Supta Baddha Konasana, and left hand's gonna come to the heart and right hand to the belly here. And relax your shoulders. This is it. What? Inhale in deeply. And exhale completely, closing the eyes. And just allowing yourself to relax in this posture. Letting the tops of the thighs be heavy. Breathing deeply into the belly. And releasing a long, slow exhale out through the nose or mouth. Then slowly draw the knees together. Walk your feet as wide as the yoga mat. Allow your knees to rest gently together so you're not holding anything in the lower body. And slowly take a deep breath in. Bring the palms together. As you exhale, lift the elbows up. Bring the thumbs to the third eye. One last breath together in and out. And you can rest here for a couple moments in Shavasana, or maybe turn on to one side. Gently float off the mat. Great work, everyone. I will see you tomorrow.